Okay, now we'll see how to insert the palette. Okay, I think you got how to call this palette window, and I'll select furniture from the architecture. Suppose I have to insert this aluminum window, so I'll select this aluminum window, and I have to insert this window at my insertion point. Suppose you are having the end point of the wall, and I have to insert this window at this corner point. Suppose I am selecting tables corner, so I have inserted that window, and you will get the aluminum section window in your drawing. Now sorry, I have to edit this window, so select the window. Now you can resize it. It is 900 mm outside borders, so I can increase it or I can decrease it. So you can directly specify the size of window. Suppose 600 mm, enter. Then you will get the window of 600 mm length. And if you want to decrease or increase the height, you have to select this vertex and you have to drag it up or down, or you can directly specify the size of the window like 600. So I have square window and I have selected it 600 by 600. Like that you can resize the palettes. Got my point, all of you? I think I have cleared all the three doubts: how to insert furniture, how to edit palette, and how to insert the palette. Okay, anything else? Any doubt regarding palettes, regarding text, regarding this table, or regarding leaders? Can we explode palette? Yeah, you can scale it. Okay, how to call this palette? You have to select this tools. Okay, tools menu. Click on this tools menu, and you will get the list of tools. And then you have to select palettes, and from the palettes you have to select tool palettes. Okay, the shortcut is given Control 3. Control plus 3. Okay, it's the shortcut to call the palettes. Like this you can call the palettes by using Control 3 also. It is the shortcut to call the palettes. So you can note it down. Control 3 is the command for shortcut for calling the palettes, palette window. All right, anything else? Sir, palette table. Okay, I'm again explaining. To call this menu bar, there is menu bar, so you have to click on this dash down arrow and you have to click on show menu bar. Then you will get this menu bar on the top: file, edit, view, insert, format, tools. This option will be able to see after calling the menu bar. Okay, now we'll move further. We'll see the some commands like plotting and converting drawings into the PDF. Okay, so I will call some drawing which I'm having. Sorry. Okay, suppose I'm having this table with me, and I have to call another drawing which we have done already. So I will open file, and I have to call the some another drawing that we have saved already. So practice session 1, practice problem 1. Okay, so I will call these drawings. So we have called save drawing, and now I have to copy this table. So generally table we have to insert at bottom right corner of the drawing. So I have selected table, I have copied that table, then I have to open this another tab, and I have to insert this table. So I will use Control V to paste, and I have to insert this table at the right bottom corner of this drawing. So I have selected this drawing. Now I have to plot this drawing on the paper. So I will use the command Control P for printing, or you can directly print from this application menu as well. So I have selected the plot option by using shortcut Control P. Now I have to select the printer. If your printer is directly connected to the your system, then you can directly give it to the print, or you can convert it into the PDF by using this Microsoft Print to PDF option, or another PDF converter. If you are having like Qt PDF writer, then you can select it, and then you have to select the paper size. Okay, so I will select the paper size A3. So you will get the dimensions of the A3 paper size 297 420, and then we have to select the center the plot option. Here we are having center the plot option, so select it. Then your drawing will be plotted at the center of the paper. Now there is drawing orientation, portrait or landscape, whatever orientation you want, then you can select it. I will keep it as landscape. Now I have to select the plotting area, which area I have to plot. So I have already told you there are limits option. Okay, so at the plotting you can use this limits as well. If you have specified perfect size of the sheet, then you can use this limits, and you have used limits at the time of drawing, then you can use the limit plot area to the plotting. Another method, we are having display, whatever is the on display that can be printed, or another option is having with us, that is window. So select the window, we can select this proper window. Okay, and we can select the close fit window. Just we have to mention, remember that we have to keep the left margin to punching and filing. Then we will select this window, and just click on the preview button to see the preview, and your drawing will be inserted into the center of the paper, and you will be visible, you will be able to see the whole drawing. If anything is missing in this drawing, you have to check your drawing again, and you have to edit it. To edit, you can use this close button. Okay, close preview, and then you can edit it into the drawing. Or if it is correct, then you can click on this plot. Okay, so click on the plot, and your file will be get converted into the PDF file. Okay, so I will save it on the desktop. So select the file location, I will select it, and I will save it on desktop. So like that you can save your file into the PDF. I'll show you how to print directly from the system. So similar command we have to use, that is Control P. We have to select the printer which is installed on the system. Suppose I'm having the copy one HP LaserJet 1020 copy one installed on my system. So I have selected this, and for this I'm having available options with me. For the paper size, it is A4 printer, so this is we have to select the paper size as A4. Suppose I am having another printer of A3. Suppose this is the A3 printer, so I will having multiple options available with me like A3, A4. It depends on the printer. That paper size default sizes list you will get. So I will select A3 from this, and I'll select this center the plot. I have to select the window. Okay, so I'll select this window, and I will select this close fit window, and I will check the orientation and go for preview. Okay, before printing, just go for preview to avoid the wastage of paper, and show see the preview, and see the corrections also, make it correct, and then only give the print of that drawing, so it will save the papers. So if you click on this plot, then your print will be coming out from the printer. Okay, so I don't have a printer right now, so I will cancel this. Okay, like this, by canceling you can edit the drawing, and again you can print it. So this is the printing option or plotting option. Then we are having layouts. So there is a default layout, so you can print the layout also. So Control P, I'll select the Microsoft PDF, and I have to select the paper size, and the plotting area. Now option is added, that is layout. So by using layout you can print it. So there is no need to center the plot, that option. So A3 size and layout is there, you can go for preview. For A3, this is printing at the corner, because this layout is I think of A4, so we have to change this, and we'll select the paper size A4. Okay, now it is getting at the center. Like that also you can print the by using layout command. Another layout, default layouts are there, 1 and 2. You can create your own layout by clicking on this new layout. Okay, layout 3 you can use. You can define this size. Okay, sorry. You can increase this spacing. You can stretch it, vertices. Okay, like that you can edit the layout as well. So there is nothing with the layouts, because we are going to print from the model. There is no requirement of creating layouts. Like that you can delete also. You can insert new area as well. So if you want to delete the layout, you can delete as well. Okay, so this is the use of layout for the printing. Now I will again move back to the model. Now that's it from the printing. Any doubt regarding printing? Anyone? I have cleared that how to convert it into the PDF, and how to print it by using window, or by using limits, or by using layout as well. Into the scale drawing. If you select the paper size, then it will be fit into that paper only. Whatever will be the scale of the drawing, that will be fit into the paper size. And scaling, you have to define the scaling on the in the table, that is title block, whichever you insert, in that you have to mention the scaling. That I'm saying, if you are using the scaling factor, just I have used the 1:1 scale, that is natural scale. But you if you use the scaling factor here, like 2:1 or 1:2, 1:8, whatever scaling factor you use, that you have to mention in the table, that is your title block. I will show you the examples at the end, about the construction drawings and all, how they have created and how they have inserted the parameters in the tables. Even though units you have to mention in that table, because what units you are using, suppose millimeter scaling, what you are using, meter using, or your inches using, or millimeters, that you have to mention in the table. Clear? Any doubt? uh, so I will give you the quiz here. So solve the quiz, and I will give you the second assignment as well. Scaling. Sir, which scaling? How to insert the scale, or scaling of the lines? Because we are using scale for lines, that is hidden and center line for increase the space. Even we are using scaling factor for okay, how to insert the scale. So there is a option scale. Okay, if it is not available on this status bar, then you can call this from this customization window. Okay, there is customization list, and you are having units. Oh, sorry, scale factor is there. One option is there, scaling. Yeah, auto scale is there, so you can select it. Then you will get the scaling factor on this. So just click on this arrowhead. You will get multiple options of the scale. You can insert any scale from this list. Okay, these are the standard scaling factors, so you can use it. So clear, sir? Over, sir, it is clear. So I will share the assignment, quiz and assignment.